For this tutorial, I will be giving you a sample of what to expect in Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation program used to show a large audience. To get to PowerPoint, we will use our search box on our taskbar and we will start typing in the word PowerPoint. Once there, we will click on it. Once we've clicked on it, we will go ahead and begin a blank presentation. My PowerPoint program looks very different from yours because I am special. Now, I'm going to show you one important thing that you must do as soon as you open a program. As soon as you open a program and before you begin working, you always want to go to your File tab and you want to go ahead and start saving. So we'll go to Save As to save this file for the first time. Once again, you would like to browse through your computer and you want to look on the left-hand side to indicate where you want this presentation to be saved. Once again, I will go to Downloads. This time, I'm going to give it a different file name, and that file name will be India, because this presentation will be based on the country India. I am going to save it now, and you should see India on the title bar. Once you have saved your file, you want to go ahead and go to the clipboard group. There is a small arrow in the lower right-hand side of the clipboard group. Open that up by clicking on that arrow. Therefore, if you have to cut, copy, or paste anything from one slide to the next, you will be able to easily see that on your clipboard. Shortcuts also work for PowerPoint, such as Control-C, Control-X, and Control-V. Now that we have done that, I want you to look over here on your right. Once you open up PowerPoint, they will automatically give you a title slide. To add additional slides to your presentation, you want to go to the Slides group and you want to click on the New Slide button. Once you are there, you have an option of what type of layout you would like your next slide to have. I will go ahead and add 3 of them. If you make a mistake and choose the wrong layout, you can simply click on the slide that you want to change, click on the Layout button in the Slides group, and change it from there. We'll change it to Title and Content. Now we will go to your favorite part. We will change the design of our slides. I'm going to click on the Design tab now. We have a number of themes that we can choose from. However, this is not all. You can also go online to browse for new themes, or you can create them on your own. Let's choose this theme, one of my favorites, and I'm going to close out of this. Now that we have done that, we're going to go ahead and look at these placeholders. These boxes located on your slides are called placeholders. Placeholders can be moved around and the sizes can be changed. If I click on the edge of my placeholder, I will receive a 4-point arrow. The 4-point arrow indicates that this placeholder can be clicked and drug around and moved to a new location. In addition to that, we also see a swirling arrow at the top of our placeholder. If we click on that, we'll be able to rotate our placeholder in any position that we wish. Double-sided arrows, such as this, indicate the size arrows and how we can change the size of our placeholders. Now that we have played around with our placeholders, I would like for you to understand how we can change the colors of our placeholders. There are an infinite number of colors that you can choose from. One easy way to do it is by going to the Variants group underneath the Design tab. I can click on the drop-down arrow and choose a variety of different colors that I can choose to change the look of my current slides. In addition to that, we can change the color of our placeholders. It is very important that you have contrast and that the reader can easily see the text on your slide. I am going to click here on the placeholder, and then I am going to go to the Shape Format tab. This tab only appears when the placeholder is selected. Once there, I can go to Shape Styles. These are the different varieties I can choose from to change the look of my placeholder and the color of my text. You can do the same for every placeholder that is located on your slide. Finally, we will look at the different font styles that are available to add extra spice to our slides. I'm going to click here in my placeholder and I am going to type the word India. Once I do that, I am going to select my text by running my mouse over it, and I am going to go to the font group underneath the Home tab. We have a variety of different fonts we can choose from. They are mostly located in alphabetical order, and there is a wide variety of them. I want to choose a font that relates to the country of India. I think that I will choose this one. Okay. Once I choose this one, I can adjust the size by clicking on the font size box located in the font group. You can adjust these or use the font sizes that are easily available. However, if you do not see a font size that you wish, you can simply type a size in this box. Let's type 200 and see what happens. I'm going to type the number 200, press enter on my keyboard, and notice that the size has increased dramatically. You can do the same thing for any of your placeholders. This is a bonus skill that I would like to go over with you. Sometimes students desire to have each slide in a different color. If that is the case, you must start off with a blank slide, such as the one that I'm using. To change the color of individual slides, simply right-click with your mouse to a blank area of your slide. Go down to Format Background, and a menu box will appear on the right-hand side. You can choose a solid feel, and the paint bucket can allow you to change the color of that particular slide. If you want all slides the same color, you can click on the Apply to All. One of my favorite features is the gradient feel. It gives you a more metallic color that you can choose from, a more three-dimensional color. You can also apply gradient fields to your placeholders as well. I want you to play around and experiment with this program. I have so much more to tell you about it, but these are the basic skills. Thank you for watching this presentation.